You have your hat box, old lady?
Yeah, but it doesn't have a lady hats in it. It has cute beachy hats.
Where are we going?
First, we have to get on a shuttle. It is really cold out here.
What time is it?
Like 5 o'clock in the morning. I was up at 3. It's cold. I need warm.
Let's go on an adventure.
I'm going on an adventure. Another early morning.
Denver first, then Kona, Hawaii. What are you looking forward to most about Hawaii?
Shave ice, snorkeling with manta rays at night. That's gonna be really cool.
I'm excited about that.
Sitting by the pool and reading. Being able to just lay by the pool and not have anyone that I'm responsible for. And Josh can go and snorkel around to his little heart's content. And I will be perfectly content to lay there in the sunshine and order little drinks.
Let's go.
I want a croissant.
A croissant?
A croissant.
Time to eat breakfast. I'm hungry. I've been up since 3, so time to eat. It's like, is it breakfast? Is it dinner? I don't know. What'd you order?
A breakfast croissant sandwich, bacon, egg, croissant, delicious, and a brown butter scone.
Is that yummy?
Josh got the avocado toast with a side of eggs.
Good morning. Thank you. Let's go to the club.
The club.
Let's go clubbing.
Clubbing at the airport.
We're in Denver. Now we're gonna go hang out at the club for 3 hours and 40 minutes. Ready to go to Hawaii? Kona. See ya, thank you.
Oh, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it.
Hey, you. Made it.
Oh, there's sunshine. This is a fun airport. Shuttle to take us to go get our car rental, and then for the next couple of days we're going to stay on the Hilo side. So we're going to go and we're going to do a little food shopping, pick up a few things, and then head to our place. So we are driving across the island from Kona to Hilo to do some shopping, and then after doing some shopping, grabbing some food, then we're going to go to Volcano, and that's where we're going to be for the next 3 days.
And then we'll come back over here.
Yes, and then we will end our trip back on the Kona side of the island, but let's go! It smells delicious.
What'd you get?
Pancakes, eggs, hash browns, and bacon. And Joshy's gonna try the coconut chocolate chip pancakes. No sides, nothing else, but coconut chocolate chip pancakes. And I am also gonna try Joshy's coconut chocolate chip pancakes. Now there's perspective of how big these pancakes are. Put your face down there. Seriously. Okay, what are you trying first? Coconut?
Yep. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Can we get enough there? It's not really local. It's like shopping at home. Filled up your cart with goodies.
Yeah. We are staying at the Maile Treehouse tonight. Had to go off on this small dirt road. Drove until we were able to find it in the dark. Not too bad. We'll give you a walkthrough tomorrow. It's about midnight my time, and we're a little exhausted, so we'll walk you through tomorrow.